So what's next with the idea of some of those social channels that are already there? So we wanted to share, we're always about trends, and that's something that's very much a part of what JWT's culture is. But there are definitely a few apps that are being, that are on tablets as well as Android and iOS, and we're going to showcase 3 of them right here. So the first is Flipboard, and that's something that you've probably been comfortable with for years now, the idea of how it's been able to aggregate your social channels into one app. And it's really an opportunity for you to be able to kind of see things. But what a lot of people don't understand is it is an aggregator, and it's an opportunity for you as a company to be able to aggregate your stories. So whether you wanted to show a mixture of your consumer work with the employer brand work, that is really an opportunity for you to build your own unique flipboards. They're just really published magazines. So if you wanted to be able to do that monthly or quarterly, that's something you can do with just a simple little plug-in for your browser that allows you then to be able to tag, whether it's Facebook or whether it be Twitter. Those elements can all be kind of pulled in to this one application to be showcased firsthand. So huge opportunity, videos within it, anything that's a part of what has been out there, that's all the potential to be aggregated. The next idea is Medium, and I know that we've talked about the idea of long form, medium form, and short form storytelling. But Medium is really something that's now expanded even to the iPhone itself. So it had always been a desktop application, but it's been, for a tablet, an iPhone, and it really is that opportunity to kind of engage people with a little bit longer form. Nice, big, huge visuals that can act as your backdrop, really elegant kind of text handling, an interface that's really, really easy to use. It's something that I highly suggest if you want to have more content out there and tell it in a different channel. This is really an opportunity to take, everyone's stories from an employer brand standpoint and be able to really showcase that. So whether it's specialty areas or you have ambassadors that can represent, instead of using things like traditional blogs, this can really become an opportunity for you to have that conversation. And then there's this really cool app that was actually funded with a Kickstarter fund and kind of debuted at South by Southwest 2 years ago, but 1 second every day. And this is, I think, that opportunity for, as we've seen with the Vine and the Instagram videos, this app essentially helps you document about 5 to 6 seconds every day in a calendar. And I think what is really a huge opportunity from an employer brand standpoint is that day in the life kind of activity. And whether that's, again, different specialty areas that could allow you to kind of really tell the story of what a person's day in the life, whether it's work-life balance that you're trying to showcase or maybe just the different activities. It's not a big commitment to grab that 5 seconds of footage and essentially put it into a calendar and then post that video out there in the world. So I see it as a really great opportunity to engage people with brief things that don't require a big outline of a big production from a story standpoint. It's just day in the life. So huge opportunity, free app, and something that I think is out there for the world, both for Android or for iOS.